Dear fellow presidents, greetings from JC India. It's good to meet you all in another tutorial of Mission 1 Lakh, the Next Mile program. Hope you all have fastly completed the Phase 1 and Phase 2 and reported via the members portal. In this tutorial, let us learn about how to report the Phase 3 and Phase 4 of Mission 1 Lakh, the Next Mile program. Phase 3 and 4 is all about inviting the members for the orientation program that you had scheduled in your hometown. The reporting of Phase 3 is pretty simple in the members portal, but before that, please note you should have completed Phase 2 to be able to move on to Phase 3. To report Phase 3, all you have to do is click on the invite button. Here you will be able to see the list of all the members whom you have added as part of Phase 2. Reporting of Phase 3 involves updating the date when you physically visited the member and invited them for your orientation program. To update the date, click on the Create button. Select the date when you visited the member and select all the members whom you have visited on that particular date. And click on Save. That's all. Pretty easy. If you have made some mistakes in that date, all you have to do is click on Delete, which will delete the date but not any other information about the members. Once you have erased the date, you can once again update it by clicking on the Create button. It is as simple as that is. Once you have completed Phase 3, Phase 4 will automatically open. Phase 4 is again visiting the members for the second time and inviting them for the orientation program. And the reporting of Phase 4 involves updating the date when you visited them for the second time. To do that, click on the Reinvite button. To update the date, click on the Create icon. Similar to Phase 3, select the date when you visited the members for the second time and select all the members whom you have visited on that particular date and click on Save. It's pretty easy and similar to Phase 3 as well. When you have completed Phase 4, Phase 5 will open up, but that's for another day. We'll discuss about Phase 5 and Phase 6 in another tutorial. Please note, all the dates mentioned over here are purely for demo purpose and the deadline may vary in the real time. Kindly visit your Mission 1 Lakh dashboard to get the deadline date updated. Hope you all are moving fast forward to induct more members in your local organization. Until the next tutorial, meet you all again. Thank you.